Got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switch up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog, I kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of everything. I want to start off with some apartment updates first. So we changed up some things in our dining room, and then just recently I picked up a new piece for my living room, which I'll show you guys in just a second. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have also known and seen Kia and I adopted another pup, and her name is AIKO, and she is literally the sweetest thing. So I'll obviously kind of show you guys her. I'll give you guys the whole backstory because it was totally unintentional, super unplanned, and just again, it was definitely a surprise even for us, but I always believe that, you know, whatever's meant to be will be, and AIKO was definitely that for us. And then later on towards the end of this vlog, I want to throw in just like some extra vlog clips that I had and recorded throughout the whole month. So today's video is definitely a nice little mix of everything. I'll give you guys a living room update and then we'll go from there. Definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up for like that YouTube algorithm, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's get into today's vlog. So this is the current living room setup right now. Nice little side chair, side table, poof, coffee table, couch, pillows, artwork, blanket, side table. Ever since we got Mari, which is our first puppy for any of you guys who are new, we decided to lift up the existing rug that we had. And I just feel like ever since we got rid of the rug that was originally here that filled up this whole space, the living room still looks nice, but there's definitely something that it just always felt like there was something missing, you know? And so I'm super excited because I got a new in rug from Ruggable. I'm super excited to say that today's video is in partnership with Ruggable. If any of you guys have pets, if you guys have babies, Ruggable is literally the rug for you. I'm gonna go ahead and just move all of this furniture and just kind of lay down the new Ruggable rug, and I'll kind of talk to you guys about like the features of the actual piece from Ruggable, why they're so different, and why in my humble opinion they are better than any rug out there. There's just like so many like little mini details that make this rug and all of their offerings not only just like so special but so functional at the same time. If any of you guys are interested, I do have a discount code for Ruggable. I'll throw that up on the screen, and then as always I will have links to everything mentioned in the description box down below, so definitely be sure to check that out. But yeah, I'm super excited to kind of get a rug in here and just kind of make the space a little bit more cozy, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we're just kind of moving out all of the existing furniture so we can go ahead and lay down this brand new Ruggable rug. Once you kind of move all the furniture out of the way, it's super easy to go ahead and set up. All you have to do is just lay down the black non-slip pad underneath. Once you go ahead and kind of place it where you want it, you'll just go ahead and roll out the top layer, which is essentially the rug part of this whole entire kind of system. What I love about the Ruggable rugs and the products is that they're machine washable, spill and stain resistant, non-slip, safe for babies and pets, and most importantly, there are a ton of interchangeable designs. I'm pretty confident that you can find something on their website that definitely fits within your aesthetic for your home, your apartment, or wherever you live. Alright, you guys, and here is how the Ruggable rug looks like laid down in the space with obviously all the furniture on top of it. I feel like it looks so good. It definitely complements the space so well, just in regards to kind of like the subtle, not necessarily texture, but just kind of like the pattern of the actual Ruggable piece. And I feel like the colors and the tones just not only add a really nice kind of layer of functionality, but it adds a really nice layer of depth and a really nice layer of warmth. Solid brand, I can't recommend enough. And I think if any of you guys have babies, have pets, puppies, cats, basically whatever, and you're looking for a rug that's going to stand the test of time and that is easy to maintain, and again something that's going to last for a really long time, I'd highly suggest getting yourself a Ruggable rug. If any of you guys are interested in checking out Ruggable and the exact rug that I have, I will be sure to leave a link as well as my discount code in the description box down below. Alright, you guys, so here is the dining room update. So if you guys have watched my apartment tour, you would have known and seen those two gray cabinets in the back that's underneath the DIY art piece right here was actually originally in the living room. So we ended up getting two more to replace it. Here before was a bar cart in the corner, but I just kind of felt like, me personally, I don't really drink that much, and I didn't really see a need to necessarily display all of like the alcohol and the cups and just all of like the various glassware that we had. I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more functional, something that's going to provide a little bit more storage, and something that obviously still looks modern and aesthetic and something that I could dress up. And so obviously a cabinet and drawer like system and situation like this is definitely ideal. This cabinet slash drawer situation is from IKEA. I will be sure to leave these linked down below. So before, the bar cart was over here next to this pampas grass thing, and now all of the glassware and alcohol and all that stuff is in here. I feel like it just looks better, and I'm kind of over the whole like open shelving, everything displayed sort of thing. I kind of just want things to be tucked away, more neat, especially with having 2 puppies now. And then over here, if you guys are interested, we just have an overflow of a ton of cleaning supplies and the puppy's foods. Alright, you guys, and this is the new pup. Her name is AIKO. We named her, and we got the name after, of course, the artist Janae AIKO, and she is the same breed as Mari. Yeah, she's about 5 months old, and she is... Oh, where are you going? AIKO, AIKO, come here, come here. She likes when I snap my fingers like this. AIKO, come here, baby, come here. Yes, good girl. Oh, big stretch. I mean, come on, look at his face. Say hello, say hello, say hi to YouTube. She is so different from Mari. She is literally the most rascalest pup in the whole entire world. I cannot begin to tell you guys all of like the accidents and just like the little mini things here and there that's happened. But you know, rightfully so, she's a pup, so of course not everything is going to be like rainbows and sunshines and stuff. And so that's why, you know, implementing pieces like the ruggable rug and getting new storage and stuff was definitely essential, because having a second pup it's a lot of work. It's just kind of one of those things, you know. Obviously they're both rescues, so when we saw her on the website, we just kind of knew. I had seen her for like a couple weeks, and I was always like low-key thinking about her, and we saw her at like this event at a pet store just randomly, and they were outside. And it just so happened that she was there. They opened the cage and she came out, and she literally jumped on us and she was loving on us, and it was the most cutest thing. And her and Mari got along when they first met. Right now it's a different story. They kind of have like a love-hate relationship. Like Mari is trying to like assert her dominance, and then this one is trying to like egg her on and like be a little bit more like, I guess, energetic and a little bit more playful. Mari will misread that, and then she'll like kind of go into like attack mode, but they don't ever take it too far. It's definitely like a playful sort of thing. But yeah, it's definitely been like a learning curve and stuff. And nonetheless, even though everything is a little bit like hectic right now, I definitely feel like it's worth it. I think AIKO is a really sweet addition to the family. We are absolutely done with dogs after this. And yeah, I'm just really excited to kind of see them grow up together. They're like the same breed, obviously, so they kind of like look alike and stuff, but their personalities are just so different. You want to say bye? They're gonna watch the other vlog clips now. Surprise! Happy early birthday!
What? I was wondering why you took so long.
Here you go. Isn't it nice?
No, thank you.
It's from Kia and I.
Thank you. That was
Hi, Laurie. I got a magnet bike mount so I can scooter and top of.
Show them your cupcakes. Show them your cupcakes. Grandma, say hi to YouTube. Grandma, go like this.
35.
Thanks, Daddy.
That's the end of the vlog. Go like this. Oh my goodness, look at this face. She looks so comfortable.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
Alright, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, well, the vlog would have already started, so welcome back to this part, I guess. Got the homie Jordan here. Bro, tell them. Never mind, don't tell them. We're not gonna. What just fucking happened while we were shooting?
Oh, okay. So, anytime that the two of us are shooting in like Capitol Hill area,
Something crazy happened.
yes, there's always a dude like saying, "Oh, yo, take my photo,"
Or like, oh, let me show you how to do it, or it's just
constipation.
yeah, I don't know, something. Again,
It was weird as
we're not
fuck.
trying to shame the guy or anything. It's just I personally find it so funny how Jordan and I are just trying to mind our own
Yeah.
business, and we're out here doing our thing. We're done. It was good. It was quick, nice and easy, just how we like it. So we're gonna go get some drinks and get some food, catch up, and then yeah, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it. Thank you, good sir.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Can we say spicy to normal, is that?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then the what's the
Cheers to friendship. Cheers.
I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life and a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one and I made that. Yeah, I made that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Girl, there's one thing on my mind and it's always you. Yeah, it's always you. Feel
Okay, guys, so we're currently at this like Asian, what is it called? Like an Asian market?
It's a Japanese market specifically. So it's called Maruta. It's in South Seattle in the Georgetown area, if you know where that is. And it's all just like a ton of Japanese, like they have like
giving
fresh
me,
food.
if
they
any of you
have-
guys have been to Japan, it's giving me like Japan vibes.
Exactly. Like
like-
7-Eleven.
Yeah, there's like proper food and like desserts, snacks, and there's like drinks and all that stuff. So Kia found it. We're doing stuff for her foodiegram. I'll put her foodiegram like right here. You guys can check it out. She posts like, what do you post? Tell them. Talk your shit.
Anything, anything and everything eats in the greater Seattle area. So
Boom.
desserts, lunch, breakfast,
Yo,
whatever.
yo. So we're gonna obviously keep walking around, and then we'll show you guys back in the car what we get. Yo, that place is a hit. Good
I think
find.
you underestimated, like when I told you it was like a Japanese supermarket, it's quality
Well,
Japanese supermarket.
To be fair, in the humblest way possible, it doesn't look like much from the outside. That's why this is just like a hidden
Yeah.
gem. So if you're in Seattle, definitely check this out. So you want to show them what we got there?
Yeah, so we got just like a ton of different stuff to share. We got this little nigiri set with tuna and salmon. This is like a little seared salmon set.
Great camera angles I got going on.
Sorry.
Here. You're good. And then we got some chicken karaage, and then
Just some gyoza as well.
so we're gonna eat and then just vibe. And then
Yep.
Kia got invited to like this other like foodie thing. Yeah, just killing the foodie game, aren't you?
I am.
All right, cool. So
Coming for you.
today is literally just a foodie. This is literally just a foodie vlog. So let's get it. Is it yummy? Yummy?
Could you hear that crunch?
I did.